Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your OnePlus Nord N150 5G. A few buttons that you need to locate. However, first, before we start this process, you have to turn off your device. Locate the power button, the volume up and down. Press and hold the volume down and the power button together. Once the phone powers on, remove your finger off of the power button. Continue holding the volume down. Once you are on this screen, go down with the volume down to the English. Select it by pressing the power button. Select the first option, wipe data and cache. Go down to everything. Erase everything. Press the power button to select it. This is just confirming that you understand that everything cannot be retrieved. Once the process is done, reboot, done, and exit, power off. I choose to power it off. Once this is complete, the phone is back to the factory settings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.